Today we shall discuss about some essential grammatical rules. So friends, let's come on to the topic. Basic concepts of English grammar. English grammar has been divided into five categories. You can say there are five categories of English grammar: orthography, etymology, syntax, punctuation, and prosody. Let's discuss about orthography. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. All these are belongs to orthography. Moreover, there are two written forms of the alphabets: capital letters and small letters. It has also two other sections. Those are vowels and consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are the rest 21 letters of English language. The next point is etymology. A letter or a group of letters that makes a complete sense and used in a sentence is called a word. All the words come under etymology. For example, he watches TV in the evening. This sentence contains 6 words. Next comes the part of a word that we pronounce at a stretch is known as syllable. Let's understand some words and their syllables. Single syllable words: cat, dog, go, come, sleep, etc. Double syllable words: lesson, student, student, gender, etc. Triple syllable words: permanent, permanent, odisha, etc. So, syllable makes words and words make sentences. All the words of English have been divided into 8 categories. Those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So the conclusion is sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So here we understood what is word, what is syllable, and what is sentence. Next, syntax. It is also known as subject verb agreement. Here, the verb of a sentence changes according to the person and number of the subject. For example, he, she, it, these pronouns agree with is or was, we, they, you agrees with are or were, I agrees with am or was. The tense and time also affects the verb. For example, I play cricket every day. He plays cricket every day. These two sentences are in present tense form. I played cricket yesterday. This sentence is in past tense form. I shall play cricket tomorrow. This sentence is in future time. Next point, punctuation. Punctuation works as a tone of voice or gesture and posture of a writer. Without punctuation marks, the writer's writings can't be comprehensive. Some examples of punctuations are full stop, comma, interrogation mark, exclamation mark, hyphen, and inverted comma. The next and final point is prosody. Languages also wear ornaments like human beings to express one's thoughts more attractively and emphatically. Such sentences are called prosody. Figures of speech comes under this category. Hereunder, some figures of speeches are discussed. Simile, comparison between two kinds by using as or like. For example, he is as swift as a leopard. The man roared as a tiger. Metaphor, comparison without using like or as. Example, the ship plows the sea. Climax, the sense rises by successive steps. Example, I came, I saw, I conquered. Hyperbole, exaggerated statements. Example, she wept oceans of tears. Thank you for watching this video.